we're gonna be putting in our guideline, our trimmers. And since it's going to be a really low, tight fade, we're gonna try and keep the bald line as close to the natural hairline as possible. We have our shaver. And like I said before, if you feel comfortable enough to taking it all the way up to the line, then next step, no guard, lever open. We're gonna go ahead and use our Babyliss clipper. First guideline.
Are you ready to take your barbering journey to the next level? Subscribe to my barber channel today and unlock a world of inspiration, education.
And his hair is quite fine, so I'm going to take my time and be a little more cautious of my strokes with the clipper. Play it safe. Instead of like going with a 1, probably going to do a 1.5 just to see what that does. This is also my first time cutting his hair, so gotta play it safe. One and a half, open, see what that does. Next step, our 2, open. So far I'm liking what's being created with these guidelines. I feel like it's a pretty strong foundation to start fading.
The video you are currently watching, that's thumbnail, has an amazing content with cool and new tips being taught in it. Be sure to check out this video through the link provided at the top of the page or the link pinned in the comments.
Remove some of the weight by the parietal. Start blending the fade into the top. Using just the corner, and we try flicking it out.
Man, that's real.
Next step, our 1, just to remove the 1.5 that we created. We're gonna go open, see what that does. Light pressure, just using the corners. Close it. And as you can see, it's blending real nice. The only thing we'd probably have to do is tap it in there with the half guard. Alright, next step is going to be our 1.5 to blend in that 2 and the 1 open that we did earlier. Just corner work, clicking in there, light pressure, and it won't be in every spot, only where it's a little darker still. Alright, so now we're just gonna get rid of this bald line, the trimmers, just using the corner, light pressure, and then flicking into it. We don't want to just, you know, hog one little place, or else we're gonna start making bald spots. So you really have to grab, you know, everything in there. With thicker hair, this won't be, you know, as perfect of a blend. You can definitely see the difference. Alright, so I do have a little spot right here, and then by the temple area. So we're gonna use our clipper. And remember, this is just, you know, hitting those dark spots. It's not about creating another guideline. This is the fading part of it.